Okay, guys, we are here in Norway, and look, I am on my Suzuki GP100 lovely bike project. Oh my god, look at this, guys. So, hey, this one we just cleaned it, the wheel, brand new. Hey, my hand is going. Brand new rear fender. Everything is nice here, guys. Look at this one, huh? Look here, guys. So, and then, ay. So here, hey guys, we have so many parts. We have so many parts, guys. Okay, huh? Beautiful. We washed this one. We washed this one. And I have so many parts here for this bike. You cannot even imagine, guys. So that's Viking Rogaland, and look at, oh yeah, I got my tools settled. And then, you know what I'm listening to? I'm listening to Richard Kleiderman, and here he's playing the Beatles. Na 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 na. And here is the Viking. Oh, in the mirror is the Viking. Yeah. Look. The Viking is here, guys. The Viking is at work, restoring the old Japanese bikes. Okay.